Alright, today we're looking at solving exponential equations. We're going to do this by making things have the same base. So if I give you 3 to the x equals 3 to the 4th, you know because they both have a base of 3 that their exponents have to be equal to each other. So since the bases are equal, the exponents have to be equal, so x would equal 4. Simple as that. If we change it up a little bit, so if on my second example, I give you 5 to the 3rd equals 25 to the 2x plus 1. The problem we have here is these do not have the same base, so the first thing we're going to have to do is make them have the same base. If we started off by trying to change this and square it to make 25, if I square 5, I would also have to square this right-hand side, and then they would not be equal again. So we're going to make our base smaller. We're going to rewrite our base in a more useful form. So we're going to leave this as 5 to the 3rd, but instead of writing 25 to the 2x plus 1, we're going to write it as 5 squared to the 2x plus 1. We didn't change the value because 25 and 5 squared are equal to each other. We just rewrote it into an easier form. So we're going to make a little note that we're going to write and say make base a smaller number to a power. Okay, so then we know we have to set, since our bases are equal, we can set our exponents equal. So we're going to take each exponent and set it equal. So we'll have 3 equals, and then here we have 2. We multiply our exponents, so we have 2 times 2x plus 1. So since my bases are equal, now I'm going to take my exponents and set them equal to each other, and now we're just going to solve our basic problem. So 3 equals 4x plus 1. Just kidding, 4x plus 2, because we have to distribute. So then we subtract 2, so 1 equals 4x, and then we divide by 4, so we know x is equal to 1/4, and that'll give us our value for x.
Monkeys.
Okay, the next example to do is the hardest type that I'll give you. So here is the problem. We have 9 to the 3x equals 1 over 27 to the 2x minus 2. If you notice here, we have 9 as a base and 1/27 as a base. There's no way I can change 9 to be 27 or 27 to be a 9 using exponents only. So we're going to change both of our bases. So we're going to have something to the 3x equals something to the 2x minus 2. So if we think about other ways to write 9, we know that 9 is equal to 3 squared. So we're going to rewrite 9 as 3 squared. 1/27th, we need to write it as 3 to some power. If you remember our exponent rules, if we take something, anything to a negative exponent, we'll make a fraction. So we're going to say 3 to the negative 3. So we're going to write ourselves another note that says negative exponents make fractions. Okay, so now that we have the same base, so we have a base of 3 and a base of 3, now we can set our exponents equal. So we're going to say 2 times 3x equals negative 3 times 2x minus 2. So we just multiply out. 6x equals negative 6x plus 6. We're going to add our 6x over here, so we'll have 12x equals 6. Then we're going to divide by 12, so x will equal 1/2.